Hello everyone, my name is Chandra Khatri. I am beginning my journey in education at Western Sydney University. This is my first time at university and I am excited to develop my education as a future educator. I grew up in a remote part of Nepal where learning was focused on memorizing facts for exam rather than understanding the concept. So, I believe education simply meant memorizing what teachers said. But when I arrived in Sydney for higher education, I was amazed. Class encouraged questioning, collaboration, and practical learning. It was no longer about what to think but how to think. I chose teaching because I want to support children in developing essential literacy and numeracy skill. I hope to create engaging learning environments where every child can succeed. I expect teaching to be both challenging and rewarding. It requires patience, creativity, and continual learning. I aim to develop my own skill to guide children effectively. I chose Western Sydney University because of its supportive learning environment and focus on practical teaching skills. Enrolling here is a significant change in my life, balancing studies and personal growth. When I began this subject, I expected to learn about teaching literacy and numeracy, but the reality involved applying skills in practical everyday context. Observing these skills in daily life helped me connect theory to practice. I actively engaged with lectures and tutorials relating course material to my own experiences. This reflection helped me identify my strength and areas for improvement. I realized I needed to develop both literacy and numeracy skills further. The first assessment, personal literacy and numeracy log, encouraged me to absorb skills in daily life and reflect critically. Reflecting on assessment 1, I improved my note taking, analysis, and application of literacy and numeracy skills. I became more confident in observing real life examples and linking them to theory. Assessment 2 challenged me to apply literacy and numeracy skills in decision making and ethical consideration. I analyzed a real world scenario to reflect on financial, social, and ethical implication. This assessment improved my critical thinking, digital literacy, and problem solving. I learned how to balance information cost and ethical concern in practical decisions. This subject, TEAC 1038, taught me critical literacy, numeracy, ethical reasoning, and digital literacy. I will use these skills to support students' learning and make informed decisions in my teaching practice. This course has prepared me for success in university and a future educator. Thank you.